Hey everyone, this is Gabe with Cape Fear Solar Systems. Thanks again for checking in. This is our first video as a part of our video series, so we're excited to share with you. So today we're going to be talking about some of the benefits and motivators that come along with going solar. So the first and foremost benefit of going solar is that you reduce your impact on the environment by using clean and sustainable solar energy. So another benefit is to take advantage of certain incentives that are still available, such as the federal tax credit. With the federal tax credit, you can take 30% of your system price off of your tax liability. And this is the last year, being 2019, that it'll still be that 30%, and then it'll begin to fade out. One of the biggest benefits would be, instead of paying your increasing utility rates, instead invest that money into an asset on your home. Another big benefit that a lot of customers don't even think about is that solar homes tend to sell for about 4% more than similar homes without solar on them. There's a report from Zillow as well as numerous other reports that show this data. Those are just a few of the many benefits of going solar. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. In the meantime, definitely go and follow our Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and like us on Facebook, as well as subscribe on YouTube. Thanks again for tuning in. We look forward to talking to you next time.